हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की क्लास में हम सीखेंगे कुछ ऐसे डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस जो हमारी ज़िंदगी में बार बार यूज़ होते हैं, यानी बार बार इस्तेमाल होते हैं। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो जल्दी से वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको ऐसे ही इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी। तुम कहाँ गए थे? वेयर डिड यू गो? Where did you go? मुझे माफ कर दो। Forgive me. Forgive me. क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? मैं किसी की नहीं सुनूंगा। I will not listen to anyone. I will not listen to anyone. क्या आप इंग्लिश में कमज़ोर हैं? Are you weak in English? Are you weak in English? मैंने वैक्सीन लगवानी है। I have to get vaccinated. I have to get vaccinated. अगर ट्रेन लेट हो गई तो? What if the train is late? What if the train is late? वो अपने आप को समझता क्या है? What does he think he is? What does he think he is? कोशिश करते रहो। Keep trying. Keep trying. जो कोई भी। Whoever. Whoever. कपड़ा सुखा दो। Put the cloth to dry. Put the cloth to dry. कहाँ जा रही हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? कितने बजे? What time? What time? कैसे हो भाई? How are you brother? How are you brother? कब से कब तक? From when to when? From when to when? मैंने खाना खा लिया है। I have eaten food. I have eaten food. पहले कौन बल्लेबाजी कर रहा है? Who is batting first? Who is batting first? उसने अपनी हंसी पर काबू पा लिया। He controlled his laughter. He controlled his laughter. काश मेरे पास भी पैसा होता। I wish I had money too. I wish I had money too. प्यार जैसी कोई चीज नहीं होती। There is no such thing as love. There is no such thing as love. उसकी बातों में मत आना। Don't get into his words. Don't get into his words. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? कहीं नहीं, बस टहल रहा हूँ। Not anywhere, just strolling. Not anywhere, just strolling. तुम्हारा जब कभी मन करे तुम जा सकते हो। You can go whenever you feel like. You can go whenever you feel like. मैं आपको कैसे समझाऊं? How do I explain this to you? How do I explain this to you? मैंने तुम्हारे लिए 6 बजे तक इंतज़ार किया। I waited for you till 6. I waited for you till 6. आप समझते क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't you understand? Why don't you understand? वो बहुत खतरनाक गुंडा है। He is a very dangerous punk. He is a very dangerous punk. तुम मेरे आगे टिक नहीं सकते। You can't stand before me. You can't stand before me. वह एक धोखेबाज इंसान है। He is a deceitful person. He is a deceitful person. मैं इससे उम्र में बड़ा हूँ। I am older than her. I am older than her. काफी हद तक तुम सही बोल रही हो। To a large extent you are right. To a large extent you are right. ऐसा लगता है वो बहुत निराश है। It seems he is very disappointed. It seems he is very disappointed. वो लड़का तुम्हारे लिए सही नहीं है। That boy is not right for you. That boy is not right for you. मेरे पास शब्द नहीं हैं बयां करने के लिए। I don't have words to express. I don't have words to express. मुझे नींद आ रही है। I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा। This will never happen. This will never happen. कह नहीं सकते। Can't say. Can't say. मुझसे झूठ बोलने की कोशिश मत करो। Don't try to lie to me. Don't try to lie to me. इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है। There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. तुम्हें पीटा जा सकता है। You can be beaten. You can be beaten. उसने कहा और आपने मान लिया। He said and you accepted it. He said and you accepted it. जाने से पहले एक बार फिर सोच लो। Think once again before going. Think once again before going. उसने कहा कि मैं नहीं कर सकता। He said I can't. He said I can't. वो मुझे बहुत प्यार करता है। He loves me very much. He loves me very much. जूते उतार लो। Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. वो मेरे लिए बहुत सारे गिफ्ट लाता है। He brings me a lot of gifts. He brings me a lot of gifts. उसकी बातों ने मुझे हिम्मत दी। His words gave me courage. His words gave me courage. ये तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है। This is not your cup of tea. This is not your cup of tea. डिनर कर लिया है क्या? Have you had dinner? Have you had dinner? मेरे पास नगद रुपए नहीं हैं। I don't have cash. I don't have cash. तुम जाकर अपना काम कर लो। You go and do your work. You go and do your work. उसके बारे में मत सोचो। Don't think about it. Don't think about it. इसके बारे में सोच लो। Think about it. Think about it. आपका हुक्म सर आंखों पर। Your orders are on the eyes. Your orders are on the eyes. मेरा फोन स्विच ऑफ था। My phone was switched off. My phone was switched off. आपको ऐसा करने की क्या जरूरत थी? Why did you need to do this? Why did you need to do this? मैं गिनने को तैयार नहीं हूं। I am not ready to count. I am not ready to count. आप बदले में मुझे क्या देंगे? What will you give me in return? What will you give me in return? ज्यादा हंसो मत। Don't laugh too much. Don't laugh too much. मेरी बहन को भूल जाओ। Forget my sister. Forget my sister. तुम वहां जाकर क्या करोगे? What will you do by going there? What will you do by going there? आज ही घर आया हूँ. I just came home today. I just came home today. तुम घबरा रही हो क्या? Are you nervous? Are you nervous? कानाफूसी मत करो. Don't whisper. Don't whisper. मैं उससे पूछना भूल गया. I forgot to ask him. I forgot to ask him. मुझे बुखार जैसा लग रहा है. I feel like I have a fever. I feel like I have a fever. इसमें वक्त लगेगा. This will take time. This will take time. तुम कैसे तैरोगे? How will you swim? How will you swim? उसे मारा जा सकता है. He can be killed. He can be killed. दूसरा वाला कहाँ है? Where is the other one? Where is the other one? कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need. There is no need. मेरा कहीं घूमने जाने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like going somewhere. I feel like going somewhere. वो कभी कभी मेरे घर आता है. He comes to my house sometimes. He come to my house sometimes. अगर वो सीख सकता है तो आप क्यों नहीं? If he can learn, why can't you? If he can learn, why can't you? तुम इतनी गैर जिम्मेदार क्यों हो? Why are you so irresponsible? Why are you so irresponsible? मच्छर रात को सोने नहीं देते हैं. Mosquitoes doesn't let us sleep at night. Mosquitoes doesn't let us sleep at night. आपने क्या खाकर पैदा किया था इसे? What did you eat to give birth to him? What did you eat to give birth to him? दूसरों को अपने पर हावी मत होने दो. Don't let others dominate you. Don't let others dominate you. ऐसा लगता है वो पार्टी छोड़कर चली गई. It seems she left the party. It seems she left the party. आपके पास अपना दिमाग नहीं है क्या? Don't you have a mind of your own? Don't you have a mind of your own? आप मेरा सूटकेस उठा लेंगे? Will you carry my suitcase? Will you carry my suitcase? कुछ बातें ना ही बोली जाएं तो बेहतर है. Some things are better not to be said. Some things are better not to be said. मैंने अभी तक ये गाना नहीं सुना. I haven't heard this song yet. I haven't heard this song yet. जितनी फिक्र तुम्हें है उतनी मुझे भी है. I am as worried as you are. I am as worried as you are. वो चक्कर खाकर गिर गया. He became dizzy and fell down. He became dizzy and fell down. वो कितनी बार मुझसे मिलेगा? How many times will he meet me? How many times will he meet me? आप यहाँ कहाँ पर ठहरे हैं? Where are you putting up here? Where are you putting up here? मुझे क्या, जाना है तो जाओ. I don't care. If you want to go, then go. I don't care. If you want to go, then go. तुम हमेशा इतनी जल्दी में क्यों रहते हो? Why are you always in such a hurry? Why are you always in such a hurry? तुम बस मुझसे मिल लो, बाकी सब किस्मत पर छोड़ दो. You just meet me and leave the rest to fate. You just meet me and leave the rest to fate. ज़्यादा बोलेगा तो एक थप्पड़ मार दूंगा तुझे. If you speak too much, I will slap you. If you speak too much, I will slap you. बहुत से ठेकेदार ठेका लेने के लिए लड़ रहे हैं। Many contractors are fighting to get the contract. Many contractors are fighting to get the contract. आसमान बादलों से घिरा हुआ है। The sky is surrounded by clouds. The sky is surrounded by clouds. मैं अब तक तुम्हारी राय से सहमत नहीं था। I did not agree with your opinion until now. I did not agree with your opinion until now. बड़े अफसोस की बात है कि वो जिंदा नहीं है। It is a matter of great regret that he is not alive. It is a matter of great regret that he is not alive. जहां तक मेरे स्टाफ का सवाल है वो बहुत ईमानदार है। As far as my staff is concerned, they are very honest. As far as my staff is concerned, they are very honest. तेरे कॉन्फिडेंस से कभी कभी डर लगता है। Sometimes I feel scared because of your confidence. Sometimes I feel scared because of your confidence. मैं यही सवाल आपसे पूछने वाली थी। I was going to ask you this same question. I was going to ask you this same question. हमें कभी भी विकलांग लोगों की नकल नहीं उतारनी चाहिए। We should never imitate disabled people. We should never imitate disabled people. मेरे आगे लाइन में 3 लोग खड़े थे। There were 3 people standing in line ahead of me. There were 3 people standing in line ahead of me. इतना अच्छा इंसान मैंने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में नहीं देखा। I have never seen such a nice person in my entire life. I have never seen such a nice person in my entire life. केवल एक एक्सपर्ट ही आपकी प्रतिभा का आकलन कर सकता है। Only an expert can assess your talent. Only an expert can assess your talent. मैंने कभी किसी औरत की तरफ देखा भी नहीं सिवाय उसके। I have never looked at any women except her. रोहन यहाँ अपने दोस्तों की मदद करने आया है। रोहन has come here to help his friend. रोहन has come here to help his friend. अब पता चला घर में कौन चोरी करता था। Now we know who used to steal in the house. Now we know who used to steal in the house. वो चाहे कितनी भी सुंदर क्यों ना हो, मैं उससे प्यार नहीं करता। No matter how beautiful she is. No matter how beautiful she is. I don't love her. डॉक्टर ने उसे जिंदा रखने की बहुत कोशिश की पर कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ। The doctor tried hard to keep him alive but not to avail. The doctor tried hard to keep him alive but not to avail. So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी। सो अब हम मिलते हैं कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।